Welcome back. Now, despite high pressure dominating most of the central and eastern Caribbean this evening, we still have some moisture that is apparent across the Greater Antilles, and we are expecting that this moisture is going to be helping to generate an increased amount of showers and possible thunderstorms across the region as we move into the middle of this week. Over the open waters, stable conditions, high pressure continues to be the significant feature. Now, the forecast for tonight, more fair skies are expected, especially across sections of central and eastern parishes. We're expecting temperatures to drop to 23 degrees Celsius. Winds on both coasts are 5 knots. Now, in the morning tomorrow, expect generally sunny conditions across most of the island, and then for the afternoon, partly cloudy conditions. Isolated showers are expected mainly across sections of northern parishes. Temperatures are reaching 31 degrees Celsius for both Kingston and for Montego Bay. Now, our breakdown has partly cloudy skies across most of the area tomorrow. We're expecting it to be partly cloudy in Morant Bay, Kingston, Halfway Tree, Portmore, Spanish Town, Maypen, and Mandeville. We do have some showers expected in the afternoon in Santa Cruz and in Black River, while it's mostly cloudy for Savannah Lamar, also for Negril, and partly cloudy for Lucy, Montego Bay, and Falmouth. Elsewhere across sections of the north, showers are forecast for sections of Port Antonio, also for Port Maria, Ocho Rios, as well as for St. Anne's Bay and Brownstown. We're expecting it to be mostly cloudy in Golden Spring, mostly cloudy in Bogwalk, Moco, Christiana. Isolated showers are likely in Grange Hill and Duncans, with partly cloudy and windy conditions for Cave Valley, Richmond, and Moortown. Now, the next few days, that's isolated showers expected on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then on Thursday, slight drying with partly cloudy conditions across the area. For the marine forecast, northeasterlies are at 10 to 15 knots on the north coast tomorrow. We're expecting wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. On the south coast, the winds are east-southeasterly, also at 10 to 15 knots. Wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters, while for offshore areas, the winds are from the east at 10 to 15 knots, the wave heights between 1 and 1.5 meters. And for Monday, we're expecting an easterly regime at 10 to 15 knots. On Tuesday, similar conditions, while on Wednesday, winds are east-northeasterly at 10 to 15 knots. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.